In 2025, passing a pro farm challenge is not the hardest part anymore. The real challenge, choosing a farm that won't shift the rules, delay payout, or vanish once you actually go live. I've made those mistakes, farms that look great on the surface but hidden restrictions, slow execution, on ghost and support. That's why I'm breaking down one I've been testing the VProp trainer. This is not a promo, just a straight walkthrough on how it works in 2025, the updating rules, what I like and what I don't, and whether it is true whether your time. Let's begin. Now let me show you the 5 things that are very must to check on the pro farms, and that is what we're going to check. The first of all is just actually going to see on the payout what are rules that are actually needed. For example, for you to make the payout, you can actually go to the payout and check the rules that are actually needed from that pro farm. Is actually very important because this is going to help you now to know whether this platform normally pays weekly or bi-weekly. But by checking on this area here on the home page, you're actually going to see that the payment is bi-weekly payment cycle that is actually going to be happening. And the first thing that you're actually going to see here is that the profit target is achievable between 5 to 10%, and you can actually get up to 200k dollar account that you're actually going to get here. You can actually get account if you have like $10, you're actually going to get account of which you're going to get 9 refund. Actually, when you're actually going to be on your way to pay out, you're actually going to be refunded this is so amazing. But by checking 10%, this is nice because you see most of the programs out there, they're actually offering like 80%, and some 6% of their stop loss. But here I can see a maximum of 10%. I'm going to show you how you can actually get a free account, a free funded account right here, and you pass and you continue earning from this platform free of charge. Make sure that they stick through this video. Now on the homepage of this platform, you're actually going to see the trust pilot, and this is where you're actually going to see the rating. So it's very simple, so you can actually go to the trust pilot and check all the reviews there, and you can see the reviews of 1.8 out of 5. This is actually amazing. Now if you actually want to purchase an account, is actually very simple. I just click a trend account here. You can actually select, and I want to mention these 2 things. There's a bit different between the V basics and the VBS basic and VBS Pro. So VBS basic is actually going to give you a leverage of 1 to 100 and tight rules, but when you actually trend on the VBS Pro, you're actually going to get overnight and weekends. You can actually own your trend. You can actually trade during the news releases, and you're going to get a tight leverage of 1 is equal to 3. All right, let's just compare the prices here, because for the VBS Pro for 10k, this is you're going to be getting it at $66, and VBS just you're going to be getting it at the same price. So I prefer that you're going to choose this because actually you can see all these are really marked. It's only that the leverage is actually tight of 1 to 30, but I really encourage you can actually choose VBS Pro. This is actually going to save you a lot. This sounds so nice. Now this is incredible. Now with the same price, just choose that. This is going to be helping you. Now you can actually come and even pay with the FXPesa Kenya shillings, just with the FXPesa card and crypto, which is actually very simple. You can actually use the MT5. So I know everybody just knows about MT5, very easy platform to use. So that is incredible. Then you just choose this and then you confirm the payout, and this becomes easy for you. Now if you actually want to get a free account, this is actually very simple. You just go to the account overview here, a startup pro farm challenge here, and then just go to free account here, and then you just click that way and then confirm, proceed the payment. Right, you can see actually the fee is 0, and then you just click and wait, and you can see account purchased successfully. So I have a 1k account as well that I have here, and you can see this is absolutely free of charge. This is not demo. So I'm going, my profit target is $100 for trending days, and maximum day loss is 50, and maximum loss is actually 100. So you actually have a live account here that you can actually use. So if you have good trading skills, this is actually right here for you. $1,000. I know so many people of you have never funded $1,000. So if you have some good rules that you can actually follow, you have a free account of 1K right here for you. Get it now. So if you want to know how others are really performing here, it's very simple. Just go click at this guy here. You can see he has an account of 10,000 here and is an equity of 54,451. This is crazy. He has made a profit of $44,000 all the way from India. There's a guy from $5,000 here. He has already generated a profit of 34,000. This is way and here. You can see all these accounts are here creating thousand and actually making this account to move all the way up, and this is so interesting. So you can actually join. This is very simple. I've already shown to you how you actually need to do. And now the last thing that I really want to discuss here is very simple, because you can absolutely go and make money from affiliate commission. So if you probably have a friend you really want to invite here, you can actually go and click copy link and then you just give them, and you're actually going to earn 20% of the commission. If you love this video, ensure that you like this video, share to your friends, and also use the link in the description to get a bonus when you just join this video. I also leave a account for the promo code down in this video. Make sure that you check it. I will see you in the next video. If you have any question, also leave it in the comment section. I'll be checking on that. Bye bye.